All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Tensorflow course, and we're still doing our fine-tuning module. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, today I did a formula where we're going to run our functional model and get back the results for that. So we did that. Let me show you what the functional model looks like. Let me go down. So this is the functional model we ran here. We actually ran it or started to run it. So let me show you that we are indeed running a functional model, as you can see here. It says the FisherNet B4 functional, so that lets you know that we are running a functional model. As you can see here, we do have the same parameters as we were running our sequential model. See 19 total parameters, 19 million. Trainable parameters equal 1 million. Non-trainable parameters equal 17 million. Now I did figure out that 17 million are the frozen weights. These are the weights that don't get updated with the training, so they don't get included with the parameters that we can train. So yeah, that's a better understanding of the frozen weights there. These are all the frozen weights. And these are the total weights that or this is what's left over that gets updated with the model that goes on with the training. Now we did go all the way through, but we got to the end and it froze here because we had a memory allocation issue. So I did check and I was downloading a lot of models from our generative AI course. So I had to delete some of them that we're not going to be using on our CPU that we're going to be using over in our Google Colab. So that should free up some space and that should clear up that issue in the future. But I think I'm going to take like the next day or two to actually just run through these models here because we still have to run through another or two more of the functional models here. We're going to run true and we're going to run one false. So yeah, so that's probably what I do because I am going to have to dive into the generative AI course and figure out what's going on with the issue we had last night. I tried to dive into it this morning thinking it was going to be an easy fix, and I'm finding out it's going to be probably a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. So I'll just take the next 2 days to go over the fine tuning and run these models. It did take quite a while to run the first one here, so it's going to take quite a while to run these two. So I'll just run these two over the next 2 days and dedicate most of my attention to the generative AI course and see what's going on with that bug there. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.